Say hello to the world-famous Tequila Agave. Yes, the actual one behind your margarita. Also known as Agave tequilana or Weber Blue Agave, this bold beauty grows up to 6 feet tall and wide, with long, smooth, icy blue leaves that practically scream desert elegance. It thrives in full sun, handles reflected heat, and needs well-draining soil, just like your favorite succulents. Aside from being a landscape showstopper, this agave is the official source of tequila. But before you start juicing yours, just know it takes about 7 years to mature and is mostly grown commercially in Mexico's Jalisco region. Hardy to around 25 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit, great for zones 9 to 10, and a must-have if you want that iconic desert vibe. Grab your tequila agave at Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix, or call us at 623-434-6922. Let's grow something amazing, and maybe a little fun too.